How to delete a trip on TripIt. Hello guys, welcome to another TripIt tutorial. In this video, you will be learning how you can delete a trip on TripIt. What do you do first? The first thing to do is to launch the TripIt application, navigate to your trips page and click on the trip that you'd like to delete. After clicking on the trip, airport to the trip details page. Move to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see add plan, people, edit trip, change trip image, delete trip. So click on delete trip and then in the prompt displayed, select delete trip. All right. And so by doing that, the trip would be deleted automatically. So you have to keep it in mind that once you delete a trip, it's gone for good. So this is how you can delete a trip on TripIt. Thank you for watching and have a good day.